Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, this is your new number concept series book 1. Now open at page number 24. Children, in this page you will count and write the number and type of dot on the tortoise and then color them. So children, start our work. First, we will color the number big circle. This is a big circle. Its color is yellow. So children, this is a big circle. Now yellow color in big circles. One. This is also a big circle. So we will color yellow color in all the big circles. These are yellow in color. All the big circles are yellow in color. And this is a medium circle. So where is medium circle? Yes, this one. Its color is red. So we will do red color all the medium circles. There are 2 medium circles. Okay. And this one is small. Yes, small circle. So we will do blue color in a small circle. So children, let's count how many yellow circles are there. These are big circle. 1, 2, 3. So now right here number 3. There are 3 big yellow circles. And how many red medium circles? 1, 2. So we will write here 2. There are 2 medium red circles. And how many small blue circles? Only 1. So we will write here 1. Only 1 blue small circle. So children, you will complete this page at home. Now open at page number 25. Children, in this page you will count and match the same quantity. So children, this is 1 duck. And where is 1? Yes, this is 1 cup. So we will match 1 duck with 1 cup. And what is this? Yes, these are 2 stars. 1, 2. And how many 2's? Yes, 1, 2. These are 2 pencils. So we will match 2 star with 2 pencils. And these are 3 bells. 1, 2, 3. And these are 3 balloons. 1, 2, 3. So we will match the bells with the 3 balloons. Okay, children, you will complete these 2 pages at home in the guidance of your parents. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.